Hello folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, this is the New Holland TC40D diesel tractor with a loader. It's got a quick attach loader on it. This is with the James Dubke estate, and this tractor has 385.2 hours on it as we're looking at it right here. It has a nice big bucket on it. There's another bucket we're going to sell separate. It's a tree spade, but that's not going to go with it. That'll be a separate lot. This is a four-wheel drive tractor, and it's hydrostatic drive. It's got a set of remote outlets on it. It's got a flip-up roll bar there on it, and it has got. We put a brand new battery in it. The battery was sat still for a little while, so the battery froze out or something. But the tractor's been under roof all its life, as far as we can tell, and stored underneath the roof. And go ahead, Leo, and start that up and give them a little demo on it. We've been using it for moving stuff around. Little tiny seepage on the one loader bucket hose. Not a big deal. Tractor's like new. It's only 385 hours on it. The safeties work on it, so that when you get off the seat, if you're not parked in neutral, it'll shut off. Two pedal operation for the forward reverse, really nice. Then just slip your hand over, slip your foot right there over the other side, and you got the other direction. It's got 2 speeds as far as ranges go. Go ahead and work the arms, Leo. Tractor's not making any weird noises or anything. Rubber's 95% or better from what we can see. PTO. Shut it off. Looks like it's had a good life. Not all banged up or beat up. The grill guard there is really handy. It's got a quick attach latch on the grill guard there, so you can just pull that up and it drops right down. Show you that. Drops right out of the way. You can put your hood up without having to worry about that being in the way.
It's over here, see?
Oh, you want to put the hood up?
I thought.
Nah, it'll be fine. They see the pictures. There's pictures of it under the hood, so you can see that. I just was showing that feature is nice, because if you don't, got a good edge on the bucket still.
Oh yeah. There's a thing in it.
Yeah. Only 385 hours. I can show you that too. There you go. New Holland TC40 diesel D, the 17 LA loader. And this is the James Dubke estate.